So I'm going to check some of these. I checked all of these that you had were good. Let's go to the next one. So if you're splitting up a log, anything that's divided gets written as subtraction. And then the exponent goes out front. So anything that's multiplied gets split up as addition. And then the exponents go out front. So this one's done. The 3 goes out front. And the 7 goes out front here. And so the opposite is true. When you're putting these back together, anything that's a plus becomes a multiplication. So log base 4 of 11 times that 3 goes on the top, 2 to the third, that 5 goes there, x to the fifth, so 88 x to the fifth. So this one has one that's multiplied and one that's divided. That goes there. I'm not looking at your answers. I think you had that. Exponent, exponent. So log base 10, 4 squared, minus log base 10, 2 to the fifth. So log base 10 of 4 squared over 2 to the fifth. So log base 10 of 16 over 32. So 1/2. I think you had that as 2. Solving, as long as the log or the exponent's by itself, you can just do the opposite. Oops, this is base 10, sorry. So I think you had that 6x equals 10 to the fifth. So x equals 10 to the fifth divided by 6. Let's see if you can simplify that. I think you had that as 60. You're just dividing it like you would if it said 2x equals 7, you would get x equals 7 over 2. Same here, just divide by 6. Log base 5, so 5 to both sides. 4x equals 5 to the third. I think that was correct. This one is an exponent, so we do log base 13. That cancels out. So we have log base 13 of 640. And this is one that you need to know how to do the change of base formula. So on your calculator, you push log 640 divided by log of 13. So change of base, any change of base formula is, so if you're doing this, to get a decimal value, you do log of 125 over log of 10 using your log button. So it's the log of this over the log of this. 20 log base 3. So you get 4x equals log base 3 of 1400. Use your change of base formula in your calculator to change that to a decimal. And whatever you get, you're going to divide it by 4. So again, log button of 1400 divided by log button of 3. Those can go away. I think you had this one. You had x plus 9, x plus 4, so negative 9, negative 4. You just want to check to make sure if you put those in there, you don't get a negative log, but this one works out because that negative makes it a positive. Okay, so now you have to write this as 1 log. And then take both sides to the log power. So you have x minus 5 over 8 equals 49. Multiply both sides by 8. X minus 5, 392. So x equals 397, I believe. Write this as 1 log. So this is log of 5 times 3x minus 4 equals 3. Raise both sides to the 5th. 3x minus 4 equals 125. 3x equals 129. So x equals 129 over 3. I believe you had this as 5 times 2 to the x. When does that equal 1 million? Divided by 5, 2 to the x equals 200,000. Raise both sides, log base 2, log base 2. So your answer is log base 2 of 200,000. Do your calculator. I think it's under here. Log base 200,000 divided by log of 2. So it tells you the time 17.6. So that's a change of base formula. How long would it take them to have a certain amount of time left? So you had 0.82 to the x times the 27,000. How long till it's 1400? So you divide 1400 by 27,000 and then take log base 0.82 of that. So log of 1400 divided by 27,000. This is a double fraction. Divided by log of 0.82. So 14.9. And I think that would take care of those two. So the biggest thing is I saw when you have one like this, you can get a decimal value. You just got to do change of base formula. So if it was log base 7 of 100, that would be log of 100 divided by log of 7.